Hey there, in this video I will teach you how you can download Uncharted 4, a Thieves and on your Windows PC. So first thing first, what you have to do is just open a browser. Alright, if you have Google Chrome you can use Google, if you have something else you can use something else. So after you open the browser, search for Steam. So this is what Steam looks like. All right, just go for the first one, and this is Steam. Then install Steam, then again install Steam. So I have done it a lot of time, just all right, so this is Steam. All you have to do, double click Steam, and we need to install Steam in our computer. So for that, press next. If you are English, press English, France, right? Choose your language. For me, it's English. Next, choose your destination folder, then install. So once Steam is installed in your device, it will take some time. So this is what Steam looks like. All right, this is Steam. Just install Steam, and before opening Steam, make sure you need to create an account. So when you open Steam, it will ask you to create a Steam account. So I have already done it before. All right, so I'm not going to create another Steam account. So after that, what you have to do is just press store. Once you are in the store, there will be a search for Uncharted. All right, so press enter, and this is the one, Uncharted Legacy of Thieves collection. This is Uncharted 4, and with Uncharted 4 you are going to get 2 games. So don't worry, this is Uncharted 4 you are looking for. And you see, once you are here, go add to cart, press this, and you can view your cart. So after that, you need to pay for the game. Press this continue payment, and it will ask you your information. Then once you have completed your information, your payment, go for library. All right, just press library, and you will find your Uncharted game somewhere in your library. Then the last step will be press the install button, and after that you are good to go. You can play Uncharted 4 on your Windows computer. All right, that's pretty much it. Hope you get a point. Okay, have a great day. Thanks for watching.